Hello guys. So once again, you're all welcome back to Crypto TV. So guys, today I'll be sharing with you a new update that is in the system and it's working 100% perfectly because I just received a particular platform that has been launched some few days ago. It has been launched some few days ago, and the platform is currently paying, and it's really paying very well. So guys, without wasting your time, please and please, if you like my videos, kindly give me a thumbs up, comment on my videos, share my videos, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell for more updates whenever I release a new video. So guys, today I'll be taking you to a new platform that has been newly launched, and this platform is westfarmersmall.net. So guys, as you all know, these kinds of platform, first of all, you need to register account before you can do anything on this particular platform. So guys, before I'll do anything, let me show you how to register a new account. So first of all, let me log out first for you guys to see how the registration is being done. So I'll log out my account right now, and I'll show you guys how to register a new account for this platform. So guys, please and please use the link in my description box. Use the referral link in my description box to sign up a new account, because you'll be needing a referral code. So guys, over here you just provide your email over here, your password, your security password, then invitation code. So the invitation code is really important, so kindly use my referral link in the description box so that you get an invitation code. So I already have an account. I'll just log in right now. For you guys to see my account. I recently created this account, and I'll be doing a live deposit and a live withdrawal. I'll be doing a live deposit and a live withdrawal for you guys to see. So guys, this is my dashboard over here. As you can see, my dashboard is pretty nice over here. So guys, what you do over here is, whenever you sign up with my account, you sign up with my referral link, you need to click on this circle over here. So you click on it, then you click on this go to get some bonuses. Okay, so guys, I've already redeemed my bonus. So over here guys, what you need to do is you need to purchase a VIP plan, and they've already credited you with $50. So guys, what you need to do is to check your plan, that you can buy over here. So over here they are saying that we can buy a particular this plan 1 for $60. And guys, remember, we already have $50 in our account. So what we just need to do is to deposit only $10 over here, 10 USDT. So for us to unlock the level 1, we need to deposit 10 USDT in addition to the 50 over there to make it 60. Then we open this level 1 plan over here. So with the level 1, you'll be getting a total profit of $2 each and every day. And the plan 2 also, it comes with $115. So guys, meaning you need to top up a total of 100. You need to top up with a total of $65. So guys, you need to top up with $65 so that you can be earning $14 each and every day, guys, and it goes on and on. So guys, over here too, there is one basic thing that I need to tell you so that you can do to earn a lot of money from this platform. So guys, as soon as you join this platform, don't forget to click on your team over here so that you can share with your friends. You can share on your social media platforms so that you can be able to earn a lot from this platform. So what you do over here is to copy your referral link over here. So as you can see, mine has been successfully completed. So guys, how the referral and how everything basically works is, whenever you sign up deposit any amount, you will get a rebate or you get a percentage from it. So let me show you how the withdrawal and the deposit is being done. So if you want to deposit, you just click on the deposit button over here. So you click on the deposit button over here. So you see this TRC20 address over here, which is the USDT address. You copy it, you go to your Binance, when you go to your Binance, then you click on your wallet, then you deposit right into this account. So after depositing, you just click on recharge completed. And if you want to withdraw to, it's a very simple thing. You just click on the withdrawal button over here. So when you click on the withdrawal button over here, it will take you to another page where you withdraw all your funds over there. So over here, the minimum amount that you can withdraw is just $2. So guys, I'll urge you all to withdraw your balance each and every day. Withdraw your balance each and every day. So we just click on it, then we place our address over here, which is our USDT address. We confirm our password, then we click on confirm to withdraw our balance. So guys, don't waste time. Quickly jump onto this platform and let us make money. So guys, if you find my videos really informative and educative, kindly give me a thumbs up, comment under the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Guys, thank you all for watching 2DAILY TV. Bye.